Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the less than mathematical operators in Master2. So first let's create two new networks. Then go to the right side of the screen under Math Operators and select the LT function block. Click and drag it to the network, and we are going to do the same thing to the LE function block. I'll keep both of these function blocks enabled, so I'll delete this contact. Both of these function blocks compare one value to another to see if it's less than or equal. But the difference between the LT and the LE is that the LT will compare and see if a value is less than the other value, but not equal. So if a value is less than the second value, it will enable its output, but if it's equal, it will not. On the other hand, with the LE function block, if the value is either less or equal to the second value, it will enable its output. And to test it, let's create two new values. So value 2 of type integer and value 3, and assign both to our function blocks. I'll also add a coil to which one of those to visualize the result. And there we go. Now let's test this logic. Okay, and as you already can see in the less or equal than function block, it's enabling its output because both of those values are equal, so it makes sense. Now let's change the value of value 3 to a higher value. So let's say 30. Press Ctrl F7 to change it. And there you go. The less than function block already enabled its output. And if value 2 is greater than the value 3, both function blocks will disable their output. And if value 2 is equal to value 3, only this function block will enable its output. That's how you use the less than operator in Master2, and I see you on the next video.